Hello everyone, Runesmith here. Today I'm going to show you something that I've already shown on this channel before, I believe, but hopefully give you a better view than I did last time and a slightly better explanation. I'll give you a few lines on here to watch for counter rotation, just so you can get a better view of it. So I'm just going to show you the first method that I learnt to pick locks, and it was taught to me by a locksmith, and the idea is, even though you're using hand picks instead of all the other methods they can choose, it's still a rapid entry method because time is money and you want to get them in as quick as possible. So the method I learnt was always bottom of the keyway, half diamond, light tension, and you want to rock on your way in and then zip your way out. Then if you get any core movement, you'll go in exploring with the half diamond and feel for counter rotation. So it's just a slight variation on a standard hybrid pick. So let's see in practice. So you rock it on the way in, zip on the way out. You do that 3 or 4 times, and if you haven't got any open or movement, reset and go again. Okay, it opened. I was hoping to show you when some of the spools kick in, so let's try again. Right. I'll try this one more time, and if I don't get any full set, I'll move on to another one. There we go. So now I'm in a full set, and all I have to do is, because it's got this lovely cow catcher on the front of the half diamond, you just push down until you feel a little bit of counter rotation and you focus on that one pin, and however many spools have engaged, you'll just be picking those. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope this was a nice easy demo. Try it out, let me know how you feel with it. If you like it, if you don't like it, like I said, it's nothing major, nothing innovative. It's just a slight variation on a standard hybrid pick. Thanks for watching.